In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Afterpay to your Stripe checkout. If you want to let customers pay with Afterpay at checkout, this step-by-step guide will help you set it up easily. First, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Stripe supports Afterpay, which is called ClearPay in some regions. To add it, go to Settings and then click on Payment Methods. Scroll down to find Afterpay. ClearPay and enable it by toggling the switch on. If you don't see Afterpay, make sure your Stripe account and country support it. Next, in your website or app code where you create the Stripe checkout session, add Afterpay as a payment method. If you're using Stripe's API, include Afterpay ClearPay inside the payment method types array when creating a checkout session. Finally, test the checkout flow to make sure Afterpay appears and works correctly. That's it. Now you know how to add Afterpay to Stripe checkout. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.